Welcome back. If you like today's weather, you're going to like tomorrow. A fine finish to the week and a start to the weekend. And the weekend's looking pretty good. Cool front on the way Sunday night, but it's not going to bring any weather. Changeable weather pattern, though, as we head into next week. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's go ahead and take a look at the big picture, the satellite imagery across the Gulf South, and it is quiet. High pressure pretty much dominating in the eastern U.S., and this is going to hold on for a couple more days. But what it has done, instead of a northeast wind when it was over here, now it's farther to the east, so we're seeing more of an easterly flow, sometimes east-southeasterly, and it's going to vacillate between east-northeast and east-southeast over the next couple of days. But that certainly means moderating temperatures, so and also relatively dry weather. Now, quick look at the drought status. No real issues across Louisiana. Still a little bit drier than normal. Eastern St. Mary Parish up through the Baton Rouge area, and that's after a busy hurricane season. Pretty wet month last month, but this month has been awfully dry for the most part. Back to the west, it's a different story. Moderate to severe to extreme drought across much of the west, from West Texas into New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, also Arizona as well. So these areas could use some precipitation and some relief may be on the way in the days and the weeks ahead, as we will see a little bit more weather action across portions of the high plains. For us into the weekend, still a relatively quiet pattern, but with time we'll see some showers across Texas. This is with a front that's going to run out of gas for shower activity as it pushes on through Acadiana Sunday night into Monday. So it'll be a little bit cooler on Monday. Going into Tuesday, we start to warm up. It gets breezy out ahead of a little bit more energetic storm system that's going to be producing showers and some thunderstorms late Tuesday night going into Wednesday, and that's going to impact us mainly Wednesday. Maybe, just maybe, even a little bit of a severe weather threat. We'll have to wait and see on that. Got to change gears and get out of our tropical meteorology and get back to severe weather meteorology, but right now it's not looking like a big high-end event. It's going to set up more than likely a pretty nice Thanksgiving. We do expect temperatures, this is the Euro model, anywhere from the upper 60s to lower to mid 70s, so good-looking weather for Thanksgiving. Looks dry if you're going to do the outdoor Thanksgiving thing, which would be kind of nice. And then as we head into Friday, it looks like a little unsettled, and then maybe another potent storm system coming on in for the weekend that will follow. We'll have to wait and see on that. That's 10 days out, kind of fairy tale land there. In the near term, it's going to be fair skies, temperatures bottoming out in the mid to upper 50s, some patchy fog, and then tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine, temperatures topping out near 80. Fair skies again tomorrow night, upper 50s, some patchy fog, and then we go into Saturday, more of the same. Fair skies for the most part, a few clouds, temperatures upper 70s to near 80. Now, as for fog, the model kind of backing off on the risk of dense fog. A couple of spots could be dense, especially down by the coastal marsh in Cameron Parish, but visibility half-mile in some spots, so model backing off, but we could still see some thick spots tomorrow morning, so just keep that in mind just in case. Temperature-wise tonight, a lot milder. We'll go mid-50s northern parishes, mid-50s I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast. And then after that cool start, we'll get up to right near 80 degrees for your afternoon high tomorrow. So in Lafayette, 57 the low. Not as cool. Some fog developing late, especially in the open fields. That shallow ground radiation fog, we call it that. Tomorrow, 80 the high. Lots of sunshine mixed with some clouds. Great start to the weekend overall. Good looking weekend ahead, upper 70s to near 80. And as we go into next week, next weather system coming in as we head into Wednesday and then perhaps again the following weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.